Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? I hope you all are fit and fine at home and you all are enjoying the videos which your teacher is sending in the group. Here again I came with a new video of English chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Go and Come. It is a very good story of a little boy. So we shall proceed. The name of the lesson is Go and Come. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. So here you can see there is a boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Now what is the meaning of pretty? Pretty means beautiful. Pretty means beautiful. And what is the meaning of cottage? Cottage means a small simple house. Okay, you can see the cottages in village. So the boy used to live in a very beautiful small simple house. Now there was a lovely garden around the cottage. You have many times been in the garden. You used to go in the garden earlier when there was no pandemic. In the garden, what do you see? There were many different kinds of plants, trees and flowers. So same in this garden also, different kinds of plants grew in the garden. Now the plants has to be watered every day. If you want plants to grow well, we have to water it every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. Now here is a new word, manure. What is the meaning of manure? You can see here. Material mixed with soil to help plants to grow. Okay. Here you can see in this picture, something is mixing in the soil so that the plant should grow well. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. What they had to cut? The unnecessary part of plant. Prune means removed dead plant and unwanted parts of the plants. Why? To help plants to grow well. Understood, children? Prune means removed dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help plants grow. Now, the garden needed weeding and cleaning also. Okay, not only pruning, but the garden needed weeding and cleaning. Weeding means removing unwanted plants from side of the plant or a tree which is growing well. Okay, here you can see in this picture what she is doing. They are removing the unwanted plant from the garden. Okay. So everybody in the little boy's house or family helped to take care of the garden. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Means all used to work together to keep the garden well and clean or to take care of the garden. Now what happened one day? Now the boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with him and his family for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. He was very strict uncle. Once the uncle saw that the boy was playing around in the house. So, what he said? In this slide, you can see the conversation between the uncle and the boy. Now, what the uncle is saying to the little boy. Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. He has no mood of weeding or working. So he said, I can't do it. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. Now, the little boy said, well, I don't want to, not just now. But you must, said the uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. Now, after listening all these things, the boy was unhappy because he doesn't want to work. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Now, children, what is the meaning of wobble here? Wobble means shaking. Wobble means shaking. His chin began to shake. He had a lump in his throat. Lump means the feeling of tightening the throat because of sadness. As I said, the child was feeling sad, so he was getting tight feeling in his throat and his eyes welled up. Welled up means eyes filled with water. So, that time, the mother of the little boy entered or walked in. She saw the boy is sad. She asked him, what's the matter, little boy? The boy with teary eyes said, Uncle told me to weed the garden. Here you can see the conversation between the mother and the boy. Now, after listening this, the mother was happy. She said, oh, what fun that will be. I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help to you weed? Can I come and help you to weed? Yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. The boy's mother encouraged the child to weed the garden happily. Here the story ends. Now, the children, I am asking you, did you like the story? Yes. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, if we want to say any work to anyone, we must not say go, just go and do the work. Instead, we must say, come, let's do this work together. So, the work will be done or completed easily or happily. That is why the name of the lesson is Go and Come. So, students, understood? Now, here the wrap of the video. you have to listen the story again and again. You have to read the textbook, read the story. Then the teacher will send you the notes. You have to write the notes in your workbook and notebook. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah.